It's not as scary as it looks. In fact, once you take that first step, you might be surprised at how friendly and helpful technology can be. The digital world is full of opportunities, and it's waiting for you to explore it at your own pace. Hello there, let's talk about technology. Whether you're brand new to smartphones and tablets, or you've dabbled a little but still feel unsure, you're in the right place. This is a space for curiosity, questions, and learning together. Maybe you've been given a shiny new phone or tablet, and it's sitting in its box, looking a little intimidating. You might be wondering where to start, or even if you'll ever get the hang of it. That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way at first. I'm here to tell you a secret. This technology is for you too. It's designed to make life easier, more connected, and more fun. Imagine being able to see your loved ones' faces, share photos, or even order groceries with just a few taps. These devices are tools to help you stay in touch and enjoy new experiences. Think of this guide as a friendly chat with a neighbor over coffee. We'll take it one step at a time. No rush, no pressure. You can pause, rewind, and revisit any part whenever you like. There's no such thing as a silly question here. Many people feel a bit of fear when they first face a new piece of technology, but that's normal. These devices are made to be user-friendly, with simple words and big buttons. You don't need to be a computer expert or have any special skills, just a willingness to try. Learning to use a smartphone is like learning a new kitchen appliance. A little practice, and it becomes second nature. The key is patience. Nobody becomes an expert overnight. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every journey starts with a single step. Give yourself permission to be a beginner and make mistakes. That's how we learn. Every tap and swipe is a step toward confidence. Celebrate your small victories, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. You're not alone on this journey. You might even find that learning with a friend or family member makes things more enjoyable. Share your discoveries, laugh at the little mistakes, and encourage each other along the way. Technology can be a wonderful way to connect, not just with the world, but with those closest to you. Let's put aside any worries that you're not good with computers or that it's too late to learn. Your brain is perfectly capable of learning new things, and this is incredibly useful. Every day is a new opportunity to grow, no matter your age. We'll explain everything in plain English, no jargon. Are you ready? Let's begin this adventure together. You've got this. Remember, the digital world is yours to explore, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Is learning new technology worth it? Absolutely. With a smartphone, you can see and talk to loved ones anywhere in the world. It keeps family bonds strong, no matter the distance. Technology brings convenience. Find recipes, check the weather, set reminders, and more. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Explore new interests, watch documentaries, listen to music, join online groups, or read books. Technology helps you stay independent and confident. Manage appointments, do banking, and stay informed, all on your own. Embracing technology adds a powerful tool to your life. Meet the star of the show, the smartphone. This small device has become an essential part of daily life for people of all ages, connecting us to friends, family, and the world at large. It's a powerful little computer that fits right in your hand. To turn it on, simply press and hold the button on the side or top until the screen lights up. You'll see the phone come to life, ready to help you stay in touch, learn new things, and have fun. The screen lights up. Welcome. This is a touchscreen, which means you can interact with it just by tapping gently with your finger. Tap to open apps, select items, or type messages. If you ever feel unsure, remember that a gentle touch is all it takes. Swipe left or right to move between pages, and swipe up or down to scroll through lists or articles. Want to make a call? Tap the green phone icon, then dial the number or select a contact from your list. Smartphones make it easy to reach out to loved ones, no matter where they are. To hang up, just tap the big red button on the screen. If you need to adjust the volume, use the buttons on the side of your phone. You can make the sound louder or softer, depending on your preference. That's it. You're already navigating your device. With a little practice, these basic actions will soon feel familiar. Try them out a few times, and you'll notice your confidence growing with each attempt. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can't break your phone just by exploring. Every tap, swipe, and press is a step forward. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become. Soon using your phone will feel natural, like second nature. Remember, you're in control, and you can always take your time to learn at your own pace. Take it slow, and enjoy the process. Every moment spent learning is a step toward mastering your smartphone. You're off to a great start, and there's so much more to discover ahead. Video calls let you see and talk to loved ones, no matter the distance. Whether your family lives across town or on the other side of the world, you can connect in real time, sharing smiles and laughter as if you were in the same room. Apps like FaceTime, Zoom, or WhatsApp make it easy. These apps are designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. With just a few taps, you can start a conversation and see your loved ones' faces light up. Open the app, tap the video camera icon next to a contact, and you're connected. It's as simple as making a regular phone call, but with the added joy of seeing each other's expressions and reactions. Sometimes you'll get a link for a group call. Just tap it to join. Group calls are perfect for family gatherings, celebrations, or catching up with several friends at once, no matter where everyone is. For the best experience, sit in good light and prop up your phone. Natural light from a window works great, and having your device steady means you can relax and focus on the conversation. Don't worry about how you look. Your family just wants to see you. It's the connection that matters most, not perfect hair or fancy clothes. Your loved ones are simply happy to see your face and hear your voice. Video calls turn ordinary conversations into special moments. A simple hello can become a cherished memory, and laughter shared over a screen can brighten your whole day. Share smiles, celebrations, or a simple chat over tea. You can even celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, or just enjoy a cup of tea together, making every call feel meaningful. It's a magical way to stay close. Even when you can't be together in person, video calls help bridge the gap and keep relationships strong. Try it out and enjoy seeing your loved ones' faces. The joy of seeing a grandchild smile or hearing a friend's laughter is just a call away. Every call brings you closer. Technology makes it possible to share life's moments, big and small, with the people who matter most. Give it a try, you'll love it. With just a few simple steps, you can experience the magic of video calls and make every day a little brighter. Texting is a quick, easy way to stay in touch. Open your messaging app, start a new message, type your note, and hit send. It's perfect for a quick hello or checking in. Want to share a photo? Tap the camera or photo icon in your message. Take a new picture or choose one from your library. Then send. Receiving photos is just as fun. Tap to view them full screen. Share moments like a blooming garden or a family celebration instantly. Texts and photos help you feel included in your loved ones' lives. It's simple, personal, and brings joy to your day. Try sending a message or photo today. You'll be surprised how easy and fun it is. Your device is a key to the world's biggest library, the internet. Open your web browser, Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. Tap the search bar at the top and type what you're looking for: recipes, news, or anything else. Press search, and you'll see a list of helpful links. Tap any link to visit a website. Use the back arrow to return to the previous page. Search for local info, health tips, or hobbies, anything you're curious about. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can always start over. The internet is vast, but you'll learn to navigate it with practice. Explore, discover, and enjoy the information at your fingertips. Every search is a new adventure. You're in control. Staying safe online is simple with a few habits. Use a strong passcode for your phone and tricky passwords for websites. Be cautious with emails or texts asking for personal info. Don't click suspicious links. If in doubt, contact the company directly using a trusted phone number. Don't share sensitive info like your address or travel plans on social media. Adjust privacy settings so only friends see your posts. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. A little caution keeps your digital life secure. Enjoy the benefits of technology with peace of mind. You've got the tools to stay safe. Everyone needs help sometimes, and that's okay. Ask family or friends for guidance. They're often happy to help. Local libraries and senior centers offer free tech classes and support. YouTube has step-by-step video tutorials for almost anything. Written guides and books for beginners are available at libraries and bookstores. Don't hesitate to write down steps or repeat lessons. Learning with others can be fun and social. Remember, every expert started as a beginner. Asking for help is a strength, not a weakness. Support is always available. You're never alone on this journey. We've covered a lot, from turning on your phone to exploring the internet. Don't worry about remembering everything. Just keep practicing. Take it one step at a time. Today, unlock your phone. Tomorrow, make a call. Next, send a text. Celebrate every small victory. Technology is about connection, convenience, and independence. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Remember why you started: to stay close to loved ones and enrich your life. Be patient and kind to yourself. Millions of seniors have learned this. You can too. Don't let age hold you back. Embrace the challenge, ask for help, and enjoy the journey. The digital world is friendlier than you think. Welcome aboard. You've got this.